Welcome to sixth video of Electrical Engineering series. In my previous videos, you have seen parts of power system in which the first part is alternator. So in this video, we will see the basics of alternators. The topics covered in this video are: what is an alternator, where is an alternator found, and how many types of alternator are there. So what is an alternator? An alternator is a device that is used to produce AC voltage or electricity. Where is an alternator found? An alternator is found in power plant, diesel or petrol generator sets, and gensets. This is an alternator in power plant, and this is an alternator. This is a petrol or diesel generator. It has two parts: the petrol engine and the alternator. The petrol engine or the diesel engine and the alternator are coupled to each other such that when petrol engine is rotated, the alternator so coupled also starts rotating and hence produce electricity. This is a diesel generator. It has two basic parts, namely the diesel engine and the AC generator. They are together fixed on a common base. And to control the electrical activities of the AC generator, we have a control panel. This is a genset. It has two parts: the petrol engine and an alternator. Now, what are the basic parts of an alternator? There are two basic parts of an alternator, namely the stator and the rotor. The stator has two parts, namely the pole shoes and the field coil. The rotor is the rotating part which also produces electromagnetic field and is used to produce a rotating magnetic field. This is the rotor. Note: depending on the types of rotor, the alternator are of two types. The first is cylindrical rotor type and the salient pole rotor type. There are two types of alternator. The cylindrical rotor type, in this the rotor is of cylindrical type or cylindrical shape. The second is the salient pole rotor type. In this, the poles are projecting outwards and they also carry field windings. Where are the two alternators used? The cylindrical rotor type alternator is used where high rotational speed is possible. Example: thermal power plant and nuclear power plant and gas turbine power plant. The salient pole rotor type alternator is used where low rotational speed is possible. Example: hydroelectric power plant. With this, we come to an end of the basics of alternators. Thank you. In my upcoming videos, I'll be dealing with voltage, current, and working of an alternator or production of AC voltage. Stay tuned. Thank you.